Lesson 9, confidence intervals. So, margin of error is when you have a set of data from a population, and it's how close your data is. So you have a margin of error, plus or minus percentages. So your confidence interval is between the numbers where the estimation lies, and the confidence level is the percent of how confident you are with that information. So a survey says that 76% of people have a social networking account. The results are accurate plus or minus 4% points. So plus 4 or minus 4%. And it's that way 19 times out of 20. The population is of 92,500 people. Determine the confidence interval and the confidence level. So first we're going to do the interval. So if you add 4% to 76, you have 80%. And if you take it away, it's 72%. So the confidence interval is between 72% and 80%. And we want to find that of our total population. So we're going to change each to a decimal. So 0.72 and 0.80. And you're going to multiply it by our total population. And you should get, for the 72%, 66,600, and for 80%, 74,000. So that means our confidence level is between 66,600 and 74,000, or between 72 and 80%. Now we want to find our confidence level. So it's right 19 times out of 20. So you take 19 divided by 20 and you get 0.95, and times it by 100, which is 95%. So this is your confidence level, is of 95%. So what this data means is that with 95% confidence, oh, do I have room? Yes, I do. So 95% confidence, 66,600 people to 74,000 people have, from a population of 92,500 people, have a social media account. Social networking site, same thing. So that is what this data means. So our confidence level and your confidence interval add to our overview of that information. Your confidence level, something that you need to remember, is that your margin of error will decrease when the sample size is larger. So because you have bigger and bigger and bigger sample sizes, the bigger sample size you have, the less error you can make. So when you choose smaller numbers for a sample size, it's kind of like you're guessing for the rest of the population. So there's a higher chance of it being wrong. But when there's a big population, less chance. Example 2. A baseball company stops production when a random sample of baseballs is outside the margin of error. The standard size is 145.0 grams. The confidence level is between 144.7 and 145.3. So what we're going to do is we're going to find the margin of error. So 145 minus, oops, sorry, I said that backwards. 144.7 minus the average is negative 0.3. 145.3 minus the average is positive 0.3. So our margin of error, so plus or minus how much it takes to get to the outsides of your confidence intervals, is plus or minus 0.3%, or grams.